Guys, welcome back to the channel, man. I'm here in the lean-to because it's raining, and that's kind of a bummer because I got big plans for today, man. Supposed to be starting on the Hodge Podge house today. I know that I said I was starting on the tool shed first, man. You guys might have seen that in a live, but we got a huge reveal today out here on the Sweet 16. And I might be switching gears. We're just gonna have to see how it goes. But it's cold, it's raining. I spilled my whole entire thing of coffee I just bought down at the truck stop, and I ain't happy about it. And the only thing I got on my mind right now is to build a fire and make some coffee. So I'm gonna try to do that and get warmed up a little bit. And then we're gonna get on with this reveal, man, and I'm gonna start working on a project, you know what I'm saying? So glad y'all are here, but I gotta get to work. Alright, I think that wood there is going to be dry enough. Got to go locate the axe. I'll come back over here and split it, and then hopefully that cedar will start right up and I can get a fire going. And some of this wet wood I can dry out, stack it on top once it dries out, and we'll have us a little fire. You know what I'm saying? Not only that, but we'll have us a little coffee, and that's the most important thing. You know what I mean? Where's my axe? There it is. I gotta find my hatchet, man. I don't know where I put it. I'm afraid it's all the way back on the logging road, man. But I'm not 100% sure. But I don't see it up here by the campground. So I'm gonna go back there and look. Had to get the camera, man. It's raining. What am I thinking? Hey, check out this firewood, man. Boom. I think some of this is dry. Right down in here. I can pick through there, get some dry wood. I'm gonna have to get the gorilla cart, come back here and pick some of that up, and we should be good to go on fire. I gotta do this fast, man, because the whole time I'm out here messing around, this wood's getting rained on, you know what I'm saying? Okay, whoa, there we go, light. Okay, whenever it's raining, man, we got a lot of wet wood. I like to use a molecular vortex method. Basically what you do is split some wood, usually dry on the inside unless it's been soaked. Outside's getting wet, so we do have a little bit of wetness. Cut it really small, start low, and then the rest of the wood I pile up around it so that it dries out, and then it'll just lay over into the fire. Next thing you know, you got a big old fire going, man. But yeah, I gotta go get some more firewood, and that's down the logging road, so I'm gonna go do that. A lot of people have been asking me if I got plans drawn up for the Hodge Podge house, and yes, I did, but they're on that McDonald's bag back there, and I use that to start a fire, so there's that. And there you have it, man. How to build a fire in the rain using the molecular vortex method. As you can see, the wood I just brought up from back on the logging road is a little bit wet. We're gonna put it right beside the fire so it's drying out the whole time the fire's going. We got a whirlwind vortex going on. You gotta leave plenty of air gaps to let air get through. You do all that, about a gallon's worth of lighter fluid, and you got yourself a fire. Can't wait though, man, because I need some coffee bad, and I'm telling you, this is a lot of work for just a cup of coffee, you know what I'm saying? Fire's going good, guys, and this water's good. But I'm a little bit low on coffee, you know what I'm saying?
Guys, my hands and gloves are soaked, man. It's not raining that hard, but it's just a constant, steady, light rain. And I need to dry these gloves out, man. Oh yeah. Ah! Woo! Oh my God. That coffee is hot, man. Oh my God. Ah! Burn my tongue, burn the roof of my mouth. I'm gonna have to go cool that stuff down, you know what I'm saying? Much better, man. It's still hot, but it's so much better, you know what I'm saying? Plus got to come down to the creek, but it's time to get to work. And we have a huge reveal today, man. If you read the title of the video, you already know that. Let me show you what we got.
Man, this is a big reveal disaster, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's gonna start or not, guys. I drove it up here, parked it, got ready for the big reveal, and there you have it. Brand new tractor. Only it's about 40 years old, you know what I'm saying? Come on, baby! Come on! No! No bueno, man. But we got a tractor, man. Let me show you. We got a 1970 something Ford 4500 with backhoe attachment, man. This thing is an absolute beast. I've actually driven it, used it, but just a little bit, man. You know, just to unload it, load it. Brought it over here where I'm gonna build the tool shed, did a little bit of digging, parked it, and now you see what I got to deal with. So let me show you guys the tractor, man, and I'll see if I can get some jumper cables out of the truck and get this thing fired up, man. Guys, we got ourselves an oldie, but I don't really know yet. Guys, I almost forgot, man. I got a brand new haul, and some of y'all might have seen it on one of my YouTube shorts I did the other day, but y'all have got to check this out, man. What I got is friggin' awesome. Guys, I was doing a job the other day for a client. She had these old farm tanks out in the field, man, had trees growing all up inside of them and everything. And I said, hey, what you doing with those old tanks, man? And she said, they're yours if you want them. And I said, you ain't gonna have to tell me 2 times, you know what I'm saying? We got 2 diesel farm fuel tanks. We got one round propane tank, looks like a golf ball. We got 2 gates, boom, right there. And we got the towers that the big tanks right there go on top of, man. It's freaking awesome. Don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but like I said in my YouTube short, man, homesteading tip number sweet 16. If somebody offers to give you some stuff and you got a homestead and you don't have any use for it, you might have a use for it later. You know what I'm saying? So just take the free stuff, load it up, bring it out to the homestead, and maybe you can make something out of it later on down the road. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely gonna have a use for all that stuff later on down the road, you know what I mean? Like the propane, well, that's my favorite thing right there, man. I was kind of thinking that maybe I can take all that stuff off the top, you know what I mean? And just make it to where it's perfect round ball. And I don't know if y'all have ever been to Silver Dollar City up by Branson, but they got this huge ball, okay? It's like made out of rocks, probably fake, but it looks real. And it's sitting inside of this little fountain deal. And the water kind of comes up and runs down it, but like it spins, you know what I mean? And I was thinking maybe I could paint the world on that, make it look like a globe, you know what I'm saying? Build a fountain and then put that in there, and you could touch it, water would run down it, and you could spin it, and you could just dream about all the places you want to go to, you know what I'm saying? Guys, I didn't see the jumper cables in the back of my truck, man. Oh, where's my jumper cables, man? Be honest with you, I don't really know where they are, but I'm gonna go try to find them. Come on, man. Guys, I can't find them, man. I don't know where they are. They're probably not here. Probably got them at my house. I thought I had a set in my truck, but now that I'm thinking back, I think I might have let my daughter borrow them. And I got like 2 or 3 sets of jumper cables, you know what I'm saying? But that does me no good if I don't have any right here, right now. So, on to plan B. All right guys, got those logs out of the way, and it's time to get going on plan B, you know what I'm saying? Which is laying this hodgepodge house out. I did have some blueprints. I mean, actually they were brown prints because they were written up on a McDonald's bag that I burned, so I don't have those anymore. But yeah. Alright guys, on to plan C, man. I'm shrinking it down all the time. I'm gonna go with 20 feet wide by 36 feet long, wraparound deck. We're gonna punch the bathroom out a little bit. We're gonna punch the kitchen out a little bit, add a little bit more square footage like that. And then we'll have a loft with a bedroom, maybe two if I can squeeze 2 small bedrooms in, and a little tiny bathroom upstairs. That's the plan. Of course, plans change, so we'll just see what happens. But I got the general layout, kind of how I want to orientate the building, you know, and just get a rough idea, man, so I can start digging some holes and we can get some concrete footers put in. All right, so basically what you got is 20 feet wide and then 36 going back to the ridge, man. The back deck's going to be up in the woods, looking out down the hill. Going to be super pretty. Kitchen's going to be over here on the left-hand side, looking out over Cross Rock with a deck on that side right there with some stairs going down to the trail that leads to Cross Rock. And we'll have a big front porch. Basically deck going all the way around. Pretty much already said that. And whenever you walk in, door will probably be right in the center. You'll have steps right here, door, kind of a living room, fireplace, kitchen, staircase over here on the right hand side, going up to the loft. And in the back, you'll have a little hallway that goes back to the back with the master bedroom, back corner on the left. Hallway, bathroom will be right on the other side of the staircase. And then after that we'll have a mechanical room, which will have laundry and a breaker box, hot water heater, stuff like that. So that's pretty much the layout, man. I don't have the right stuff. I need to get some long metal tubing to set down there on the bottom side. I use those hickory sticks just to kind of get me by today, but they sucked. And I need to get something stronger because when I'm pounding it, man, I'm hitting all kinds of rocks and everything. And I just don't have that right now. But what I really need to do is just get like an idea of pretty close. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm just going to dig a big hole, pour footing in there, and then I'll build off of that. We'll set it with rebar and everything else, make it real nice and strong. Hang on, I think my camera's moving. Whoa. I hope you guys got all that. I'm gonna get a cup of coffee and contemplate my next move. Just want to take a little break, man. Go down there and sit on top of Cross Rock. I didn't bring any lunch, but I did bring a Snickers, and it's pretty satisfying, I ain't gonna lie. Guys, how'd y'all like the irony in that last shot? You know, the one where I'm digging a hole with the backhoe in the background? Yeah. I got that hole dug though, man. It's already pretty deep. I ain't gonna let a non-starting backhoe keep me from moving forward. You know what I mean? Do everything out here the hard way. When I get that thing up and going and running, I'm sure we'll make a big deal about it. And that'll be great. But for today, it's not going. And I'm starting on this Hodge Podge house, man. And I need a new camera battery. So that's why we're walking over here to the pop-up. Because we got electric in the pop-up. And that's where my battery charger is. I'm gonna swap this out and get back to work, man. Hey guys, what's going on, man?
Hey, what's going on?
Hopefully this ain't a hot mess, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Did y'all watch the live we were on with Brian? That was a hot mess, man. I ain't even joking. Can you hear me? Are you lying, man? You can hear me just fine, dude. You be pranking me, man. You got me. I thought I'm over here like checking my phone and everything, thinking y'all, I got y'all mute or something. I can't figure anything out. Good, man. I'm out here working right now. We had a little bit of rain this morning, but it cleared out about noon. And got a huge reveal today, man, on the video. Should be coming out. It's probably the biggest reveal we've had so far. Thanks, guys. We appreciate y'all letting me jump on, man. I'm going to get over here and get back to work. All right, you guys have a good day, man. See y'all later. I will, man. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Jumped on MT Homestead Live for just a second and said hi to everybody, man. Took a little break. I got to get back to work. Get that hole cleaned out, see how deep we are, and go from there. All right, man, there's the first hole. We're on the northwest corner of the house. I'm gonna do the first front holes, and then we'll get that nice and straight, and then work our way to the back going down the hill. I'm gonna have to do this in sections, man, because there ain't no way I can dig all these holes today. You know what I'm saying? Guys, that's gonna do it, man. Got started on the Hodgepodge house. I'm so happy, man. Got a couple holes dug, got the layout done, and that's gonna do it for this video, man. Hey, if y'all haven't subscribed yet, please do so. If you liked any part of this video, give me a great big huge thumbs up, like, and if you got anything to say, just drop it right there in the comments, man. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace! There we go, light. Okay, whenever it's raining, man, we got a lot of wet wood. I like to use a molecular vortex method of fire building, and basically you get as much dry wood as you can. Obviously this was wet, and cut. Man, that's no bueno, man. We got a tractor.